Alright, y'all, so my grapes been doing so good as far as just in 1 year. I've been getting a lot of compliments, so I decided to grow some more grapes, and I'm gonna show y'all what I use to plant them and all that to get them going. So yeah, I'm up here at Lowe's now. Show y'all what I grabbed. Alright, so we got our pine bark mulch, and y'all need paver sand too. I'm gonna just finish using the rest of this, but this is what your soil should look like. Sandy, with a lot of bark and y'all, my mic sucks, so I don't want to use the mic no more. I'm sorry for the highway traffic, but it's either the phone or the mic, because this is an older phone. But yeah, so we're gonna take Miss Shirley here. This is my tiller, and she done been here with me for the last, what, 4 or 5 years, and this thing been going strong. Sun Joe, she done earned herself a name. This Miss Shirley right here. But anyway, I put that soil down that I had on where I want the grapes at, and I'm gonna till this over and then put my grapes in them holes. But I'm also put some amendments in there. All right, got this side done. That one is next. See the difference? Also, I forgot to include that I'll take like a bag of Fox Farm or anything like that with a high perlite count, something that you would start seedlings off with, and I throw that in there too. Mix that all up and you got a really good, healthy, well-draining soil. All right, then I put all this in the hole. Got my Somerset seedless grapevine. Got blood meal in there, bone, well, that's 2 blood meals. I ran out of that one, so I bought this one. Bone meal and Osmocote. And I also put a little bit of Veritone in there, just because my soil is so alkaline, and they like it around 5.5 to 6.5. And just backfill, that's it. So it's been about a week since I put the Concord seedless in with that mix that I did, and look, it's already shooting out green shoots. Put the pine bark mulch down after you get done, you know, planting it. I got my other Somerset seedless over here, and yeah, she's starting to take off. But yeah, that's what it should look like when you're done. Have pine bark mulch down, like I said, put it close enough to your trellis to where it's got room to grow and get bigger. Like that trunk there, see, they're gonna get thicker each year. So you don't want it growing into your wire. So you know, I poured it out about 4 or 5 inches, and then I aim it back towards the trellis. See? That way it's got, you know, like I said, a little room to grow. This is that Concord seedless. After about 2 weeks, 2.5 weeks, and it shot up a stem. Got another one coming out right there. This Somerset, it's doing good too. Shooting up new leaves and everything.